E-commerce is more global than ever. Customers shop across borders, languages, and currencies, and they expect brands to meet them with experiences that feel local. Shopify Markets makes that easier by letting you personalize your storefront by market, from language and product availability to pricing, all within a single Shopify account. But personalization shouldn't stop at the website. When you integrate Shopify Markets with Klaviyo, you can extend those localized experiences into your CRM activities, so the messages customers receive after they leave your site feel just as relevant. In this video, we'll walk through 3 ways to use Shopify Markets data in Klaviyo to personalize your CRM at scale. But first, if you're finding this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Let's start with the most obvious and often the most impactful use case: language. With Klaviyo's Smart Translations feature, you can deliver campaigns and flows in each subscriber's preferred language across email, text, WhatsApp, and mobile push. You build your campaign or flow message like you normally would. Then you choose which languages you want to support. Klaviyo generates translations that you can review and fine-tune, and even pulls the right product catalog for each market. From there, Klaviyo automatically sends the correct version to each subscriber based on their locale data from Shopify Markets. Just like that. And language isn't all or nothing. You can also use locale data to show or hide specific blocks in an email. That means you might send one core message to everyone with a section that only appears for subscribers in certain markets, like a regional promotion, shipping note, or product callout. The result? Messages that feel local, not generic. The second way to use Shopify Markets data in Klaviyo is through segmentation. Segments help you focus your messaging on the customers who are most likely to care, and locale data gives you new, powerful ways to do that. For example, if you're running a campaign for Francophonie Day, you don't necessarily care where customers live. You care about whether they speak French. In this case, you'd build a segment based on locale language and send a campaign that truly speaks their language. On the other hand, if you're promoting a UK-specific warranty program, language matters less than location. You'd segment customers based on locale country and target everyone who has purchased in the UK, regardless of what language they speak. The key takeaway here is that Shopify Markets data lets you segment by intent and context, not just geography. Finally, Shopify Markets data can shape how customers move through your automations, or flows, in Klaviyo. You can use locale data at the entry point to decide who can enter a flow, which is helpful when you want to run separate flows for different markets. Or, you can use conditional splits inside a flow to create regional paths. The result is more flexibility without added complexity. By integrating Shopify Markets with Klaviyo, you unlock more value from the data you already have, carrying the same localized experience from your storefront into your CRM. And when customers feel understood through the right language, offers, and timing, you see higher engagement, stronger conversions, and ultimately, better revenue and lifetime value. So what are you waiting for? Put your Shopify Markets data to work and start personalizing your customer experience today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe, and check out the description for more content like this to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.